Not every situation which seems like a solution is actually a solution, and not every situation which seems like a problem is a problem. So, what is a problem? What is a possibility? It is just that if you are equipped, if you have equipped yourself in such a way, no matter what happens, you know how to make it into a wonderful possibility for yourself. Because what life throws at us is not our choice always. We try to manage it to some extent, but it's not entirely our choice. Life may throw all kinds of things at us, but what we make out of it is 100% ours. If this one dimension, if we take charge of this, no matter what life throws at me, I will make this into a tremendous process for myself. Let it throw whatever. Doesn't matter what life throws at you, you will turn it into a possibility. You will not make anything into a problem because you are not a problem. This is a choice that every human being has, either for every situation. When I say every situation, there are only situations and situations and situations in our lives. When you don't know how to handle a particular situation, you call that a problem. What is a problem for you may be wonderful possibility for somebody else, usually is. There are no problems in life, they're just situations. You can either make it into a possibility or a problem. You can either you yourself become a possibility or a problem. This is a choice every human being has. But to exercise this choice, you have to be in a certain way within yourself. Within yourself, you are in a certain state of equanimity, balance and exuberance that no matter what life throws at you, you will make it into a wonderful possibility. Life can throw all kinds of horrible things. It can do all kinds of things to you. Most unexpected time, it will throw something at you that you did not imagine possible. The more active you are, more unexpected things happen to you. Yes. So instead of trying to control what life should throw at you, equipping yourself in such a way, no matter what it throws at you, you will make it into a wonderful possibility. If this one thing is done within the human being, then every situation is a possibility. Once every situation becomes a possibility, this human being will blossom to a full-fledged life. And this is the aspiration of every life, to somehow become a full-fledged life.
Have you ever thought what actually is the root of all your problems? If you have a close look at your life, you'll find that it's your attitude of non-acceptance which gives birth to all your problems. Wanting people to be different than who they are, wanting things to be different than what they are, is the sure-shot recipe for problems. You want your spouse to be different. You want situations to be different. And not only that, you want yourself to be different. But you don't realize this simple fact that people can't be other than what they already are. It's like you want the weather to be different than what it already is. Either you can accept it and enjoy it, or you can complain and suffer. That is completely your choice. It is totally up to you. Remember, your complaint is not gonna change the weather in any way. Also, it is extremely disrespectful when you want to change others. If you just witness your mind, if you just become conscious of the workings of your mind, you would realize that When you want to change others, unconsciously, in a very subtle way, you are saying, I know better than you. I know what is good for you. So basically, you are always looking for your own interest. Because if it were not so, you would respect others for who they are and you would never want to change them. What we do to others, the same thing we do to ourselves. We don't accept ourselves fully. So unconsciously, we are saying to the existence, we know better than you. And this creates tremendous tension. This creates tremendous stress within you. The only way to overcome this is to just remember that we are all unique. We are all incomparable masterpieces of existence. Existence has so much respect for you. That is why it has brought you here. There was no one who was like you here. Nor will there be anyone ever who would be like you. You are unique, unrepeatable, and integral part of this existence. You forget this fundamental thing and you suffer. People think that acceptance is resignation. No, acceptance is not resignation. Acceptance is simply your decision to celebrate yourself and others as the utterly unique beings. Problems come to an end the moment you accept the isness of this moment. Whatever the present moment brings in your life, if you can accept that with gratitude in your heart, then problems will exist no more. You must understand that a situation is always neutral, but your interpretation of it creates the problem. So, the interpretation of a situation creates the problem. The moment you put a label on a situation, the moment you judge any situation, that very moment you invite problems. Remember, situations are existential, they are real, but problems are fictional. They are nothing but the figment of your own imagination. So you should stop putting labels on situations. Don't condemn, don't fight, don't resist. And when you do so, then whatever the situation demands at that time, that you will do for sure. When you accept any situation wholeheartedly, then whatever the situation requires is done through you, is done by you. If the situation requires you to say something, then you will say what is needed. And on the other hand, if the situation demands silence from you, then you will remain silent. This is the miracle of acceptance. Whatever needs to be done gets done. And how does acceptance work miracle? It gets you in touch with your divine infinite nature. Yes, acceptance of the situation as it is. When you accept any situation without putting any labels on it, that very moment you get in touch with your divine infinite nature. And this is the reason why with acceptance you go beyond all problems. The Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius said, "Accept whatever comes to you woven in the pattern of your destiny, for what could more aptly fit your needs?"